Next, replace the kiln panel by slipping the left side slots of the element connection box over the still attached screws that are on the kiln. Insert all the power and thermocouple wires through the appropriate holes, top, center, and bottom, and left and right. Use 2 hands as shown. Next, push the panel toward the kiln and screw in the right-hand screws, holding the element connection box onto the kiln. Tighten all these screws. Reconnect all of the thermocouple and power wires to the appropriate terminal strips. Notice that both the terminals and the wires are well marked, 1 through 6 for a 3-section kiln or 1 through 4 on a 2-section kiln. Close up the outer box. Pay attention to the wires so that you don't pinch them when closing the box. They are carefully cut to length so that there's not too much wire inside the box to get in your way. Replace the 2 screws that hold the outer box in place. The final step is to engage the door spring. Find the long round bar with a notch in the end that is labeled Spring Hinge Tool. Use the notch on the tool to grab the spring end and force it into place. Lift the top to push it in further. Using the tool through the access hole in the back, push the spring end into one of the 2 slots. An alternate method is shown using the hinge tool as a lever from the top. Now move the other end of the spring into position as shown. Now finish installing your Venturi vent system if you have one. Plug in your kiln and you're ready to fire.